Okay, hi everyone. I'll keep this one short and sweet, just as a recording. Google's released their search quality highlights document, which contained 65 changes for August to September. I found that whole document very long to read and digest, so I decided to create a little um, summary version of my own. Picked all the most interesting items and put them in a list that was most interesting to me, and categorizing and summarizing everything into one neat list. So here we go. I split up the updates Google released into several categories. One is page quality. We've got search results, link signals, local, QDF, and some other miscellaneous signals. So I'm just going to go ahead and go over them. So these are the most significant changes that have happened at Google as far as search quality goes. So here they go. Panda refresh. We've had, apart from, as part of the page quality, we had Panda refresh, we've had 3 undisclosed updates. So search quality or page quality updates which weren't disclosed exactly what they are, but there was 3 other updates associated at the same time or within 2 months period when Panda was released. Okay. Next one is in general search results, so how things display when we search for stuff. So Google has a new way to identify what an important phrase is on a page. I find that quite interesting. And then they've got the improved signal or number of signals improved for rewriting, generating, and presenting search result titles. So when we search for stuff, how the title tags or the titles in the search results display are actually updated and improved, and they're doing that even for non-HTML documents, for PDFs, for example. Although from what I can see, not all PDFs are perfect at this stage. There's still some bugs in there, but it's good to see that they've improved that. Next one is for some searches there are now fewer results in search results pages. I think we've already seen that, especially when you're searching for brands. It shows only 7. We've got site link data refresh, so if you've changed your site links, or you might see some of those changes appear now. And we've got disclosure in SERPs for pages blocked in robots. I think we've all pretty much seen that already. So if a page is displayed as a result, but webmasters asked Google not to index that page, the robots.txt, Google will actually put a little statement saying that's actually what took place. We have one mysterious link signal fixed. So obviously they've used it before. Now it's fixed to be a little bit better. And that's all as far as link signals go. And then we've got local improvements. There's 4 local improvements, or local international as well. We've got an update titled LTS, which is aimed at location-based queries. So location-based queries are improved. Again, not much data about that one. We've got another update related to improved relevance, detection, and ranking of local search results. So 3 updates together contributed to that one. And we've got smarter, better showing of international as results of instead of home pages. For example, you have a big corporation and you type in, say, Sony, and if you're based in the UK, Google might start showing you the Sony UK page instead of the Sony.com. So that's that one, and there's been several location and international based updates, quite interesting. The last one I have is international document relevance improved. So Google will be improving the way that they're using different signals to find what's actually relevant more to you on the basis of internationalization. Query deserves freshness, fresh stuff. There's quite a few updates there. So we've got fresher page may now win for 2 relevant pages on the same site. So if you have the same website, 2 documents, basically the fresher document may actually overtake on the basis that it could be more relevant because it's a more recent document. This is a good way to sort of overtake if you have 2 pages competing for the same keyword on your site. If you don't know what to do, if they keep flip-flopping between one and the other, the page with a younger or newer timestamp may actually win. This is something you should probably test. Another QDF related improvement is improved document age and stale content handling. So Google's obviously a little bit smarter in detecting when something is old. Other signals other than page quality search results, link signals, local QDF. We've got updated term proximity scoring. So something's changed in the way that Google analyzes, when one keyword or one term is actually close or in proximity of the other term. So we've got knowledge graph updates. We've got, of course, the carousel, which came out. We've got the knowledge graph, which gets the lists and collections added to them. And we've got smarter handling of generic and boilerplate phrases. That's like, logo, if you have title tag on logo and so forth. So in summary, just to mention that a lot of these updates that I've just mentioned have actually been I've actually collected them into one bullet point. So, for example, the improved signals used for rewriting of your title tags in search results, that's actually 3 updates. And if you wish to see what these actual updates are, I left the codes on the Google Plus post. I will actually create a little note here and link to the post that I'm talking about after this recording is finished, so you'll be able to see it in YouTube. All right, thanks very much for everyone who's joined in and everyone who will be watching this later on YouTube. I am finished and going home. Have a good weekend, guys.